What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with my channel. If you're new to the channel, we have a goal of 400 subscribers by the end of this year, right? But if we do hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So push, subscribe. Turn me up, man. I appreciate you guys, man. Let's get into the video. We got a box from DSG. The restocks have been going crazy. Everybody knows there's restocks on Nike, the sneakers app. There's been restocks on pretty much every single app out there, and I was able to get my hand on this pair of shoes. I have recently put my 2 weeks in at my job, so I am looking for some hobbies to take up some time, you know what I'm trying to say? And this shoe right here kind of plays along with that, man. I've been really wanting to get into golf. So when DSG dropped this shoe, I had to hop on it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you guys the sticker. Jordan 1 Low Golf. The color is triple white. I think on the sticker it says Blanc. Yeah, man, I had to shoot my shot at these shoes because I know I want to pick up the sport. I know I want to try it as a hobby, and I want to be out there, you know, I want to be fresh to death while I'm out there on the course, because if I ain't playing good, at least I'll be looking good. So go ahead, look in the box. You got the white Jordan paper with the 23s on it. Like a little quality control sticker in the back, man. Just your classic Jordan box, you know what I'm saying? Like the general release box, your Jordan low box, your Jordan mid box. This is the same box, you know what I'm saying? If that was out of frame, I'm sorry. All right, so let's look at these shoes. Okay. All right. Okay, DSG. All right. So let's look at the shoe. Ladies and gentlemen, you got your Jordan 1 Low Golf. Triple white. I did go for every other colorway, but I was only able to hit on the whites. Not mad about it. Wrote a song about it. No, I'm not mad about it. I'm happy I was able to get my pair on one of these shoes. It's my first time seeing them in hand. Now, I expected this shoe to be way chunkier than it is. I had been talking to a couple of my buddies, and they're like, nah, man, I plan on just wearing the shoe as a regular Jordan. And I kind of found that funny because it's a golf shoe. But when I look at the shoe in hand, you honestly could get away with rocking this as a regular Jordan 1. Look at the bottom. So this is your traction pattern. So it has spiky, like a spiky little, it has spikes on it. Let me show you. Matter of fact, before we finish this, let me just do Jordan 1 Low Neutral Gray, right? These shoes are obviously very comparable. On the right, this is obviously the golf, and this is the neutral gray. So look at the bottoms. Now you can kind of tell the difference in the shoe. More spiky on the golf, more flat on the tread of the regular neutral gray. They are the same cut though. And that's why I like this golf shoe, because it's not cut like your typical Jordan 1 low. It's cut like the OGs. So I definitely like that about this shoe. I went for the Chicago colorway. I went for the Shadow colorway. Wasn't able to get my hand on it, but I'm not upset about that. If I can double up on a pair of these, then I will. If they do any more restocks, I'll be going for them. Let me take the shoe tree out really quick. I'm very curious to see what kind of leather. Look what they did on, okay, by the way, look at, this is what they did to the shoe tree. I don't know if this is a DSG type of thing. I've never seen this before. They wrapped the shoe tree in paper. So I gotta say, man, just touching the leather, the quality on this golf shoe is better than any regular GR Jordan low, right? The quality compared to this is pretty damn close. I would say the quality on these, the neutral grays, is a little bit better than the quality on these. Both very soft, but you can tell that, for one, this has more of a shine to it. The neutral gray has more of a matted look. These have more of a shine to them, and I'm pretty sure that these are waterproof, and that's what the shine and the extra thickness of the leather really is on it. It's almost like it has like a shielding coat. You can kind of see the light reflecting off the shoe. You don't see that on the neutral gray. You see the difference? This one's a lot more glossier. And if I can get let me get as close as possible. It's a lot more glossier, and it just, that leather, still soft. You still got the tumbled. Look at the back. It's just a lot more shinier. But definitely, if you want, I'm not gonna wear this as a regular shoe, but if you wanted to wear this shoe as a regular Jordan 1 low, like, nobody's gonna know the difference. Nobody would be able to tell at all. Or if you use just like, you know what, I don't want to wear my neutral grays, I want to wear a white shoe that's waterproof, there you go. There you go. This would absolutely do the trick. I'm definitely going to try them on feet really quick, just so I can give you guys an overview of like comfortability and just kind of how they look with like a pair of jeans. We'll just do a pair of jeans. I don't have no like slacks ready. Maybe I'll shoot another video when my clubs come in, and I'll go out to the golf course in these, and I'll like be like, yo, these are a good shoe for golfing. I don't know. We'll see what's up, man. But yeah, I'm going to throw these on foot. And you guys, get down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this shoe. I think it's super clean, you guys. I'll be back to you guys, let you guys know how comfortable they are. All right, peace. So I gotta be honest, man. I did not expect the shoe to fit so well and so comfortably. I can, even though I don't suggest it, I can understand why somebody will wear this to be just a regular Jordan 1 low. I mean, the cut of the shoe is OG. The comfortability is like a regular Jordan 1. You don't, I mean, I was wearing these shoes on carpet, but you don't really even feel the spike the spiked, tread on the bottom. You don't really feel that. The comfortability is good. It's a soft, nice, durable leather. They say it's waterproof. It comes with extra laces. You know what I mean? On the bottom, just because I never showed the bottom, it does say golf with a Nike swoosh. And on the inside, it does say golf and have the Jordan Jumpman. This shoe is 100% staying in my collection. I'm going to enjoy golfing in these. Hopefully, I can pick up a couple more pairs of these, because it doesn't seem like a lot of people are going for this shoe, because it's not the Chicago colorway, or it's not the shadow colorway, or the bread colorway, or whatever colorways they came out with this, the wolf gray. It's not those. So this is probably like the least wanted out of all those shoes. But even if you did decide to buy this shoe as just a regular Jordan 1, the shoe is hella comfortable. Hella comfortable. I'm actually really shocked, man. And with that, man, I'm going to say goodbye to you guys, man. I appreciate you guys for tapping in with your boy. You guys know the vibes, man. If you didn't hit the like button on the way in, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate everybody that's tapped in with me. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out, you guys. Peace.